How to log out Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log out of Instagram, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is, if you open the Instagram app, you can currently see that I'm signed into one of my accounts. And if I want to log out, it's actually quite simple. All I have to do is tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen to come to the profile page. And once done, you need to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen to come to settings and privacy. And once you're here on this page, just scroll a bit further below. You'll find the option to log out only of this account or to log out of all accounts. So if you want to log out only of this, you can save your login info and then just tap the logout option in order to log out successfully. And if you want, you can log into some other accounts later on. This way you should be able to log out Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.